This is the second clip of two, just showing you the way we can use the Casio FX82AU Plus in order to do some calculations in regards to statistics, primarily the mean and the standard deviation. So we start off by getting our calculator in statistics mode. So we press mode, 2, and then 1. So now we have statistics mode. Now that's what we're using for a set of scores. We need to get it so it has a frequency table. So the way we do that, we press shift, mode. Okay, we've then got to go down for the stat, which is number 3, and then turn it on. So frequency on, and that's how we get our table. We now enter our set of scores, and I've just got an example set of scores here. So we press the score, and then equals. It's easy actually just to go down. 4 equals, 5 equals, 6 equals, 7 equals, 8 equals. Alright, so we've done our scores. We then go to our frequency, so across the arrow up, and we get up to this 4 score. That happened 32 times. So we then press the frequencies and equals after every one of those. So 32 equals, 81 equals, 95 equals, 54 equals, and 27 equals. Now we have our table ready to go. Press all clear at the end. Now, in order to find the mean, we do exactly the same way as we do for a set of scores, where we press shift 1 from the stat, and we do VAR. Now the mean would be number 2. X with a bar on top is the mean, so 2 equals the mean for that set of scores to 2 decimal places would be 5.87. If I wanted to find the standard deviation, shift 1, 4. Standard deviation of the whole population is number 3, so press 3 equals, and the standard deviation is 1.13. You can see it's pretty tight there, pretty tightly bunched. Now if I want to find the number of scores, shift 1, 4 once again, and the number of scores is the number 1 for n. And I find there are 289 scores in there. So the total frequency would be 289. So that's how you use the calculator, the FX82AU, in order to find the mean and the standard deviation for a frequency distribution table. Okay, now what I want you to do is to pause the clip here. You can press the pause button, get your calculator out, get a pen and paper out, and I want you to calculate the mean and the standard deviation for the set of scores below. There's the table, the score, the frequency. Use the method I used and showed you just a minute or so ago to calculate the mean and the standard deviation. Okay, it should only be at this point if you've actually done some calculations. What we probably should do is to reset. Now to reset a calculator, it is shift 9 with clear, 1 equals, and then all clear. So we clear everything. Then we get our calculator in statistics mode again, which is mode 2, 1. Okay, then we get our table up by doing shift mode, go down, 3, stat frequency on, which is 1, and there we have our table. Now we're into those scores. So 25 equals, 26 equals, 27 equals, 28 equals, 29 equals. Okay, cross and up, we'll get for the frequencies in. 25 occurred 15 times. Press equals after every frequency. 23, 29, 12, and 29 occurred 8 times. Press equals at the end, press all clear. Now in order to find our, let's go the number of scores, it would be shift 1, 4, number of scores is 1, equals, there'd be 87 scores there. If I totaled that, that would come to 87. In order to find the mean, shift 1, 4, the mean is 2, equals, the mean for this set of scores would be 26.71. And the standard deviation, if you were asked to find the standard deviation, shift 1, 4, the population standard deviation is 3, equals, so the standard deviation, once again, is pretty tight there, 1.17. Now, if you want to go back to the table, you can press Shift, 1, and then 2. Go back to data and back to the table, and you may be able to make adjustments to that if need be. So this little clip may help you in using your Casio to find the mean and the standard deviation for a frequency table. If you need to find the mode, well, you need to do that individually, and the same for the median. Your calculator does not help you with the mode and or the median. Thank you. I hope you got a bit out of this. Go back and replay it if you need any help. Don't forget to pause along the way and write down the instructions into your books.